Hey guys, hey, it's 18:34. Good luck. Simon's on the bottom and top. This is the mini for the trio here. First gets 3 and second gets 1. Head down and say we're live, and top 2 win here. 18:35 and 52 seconds. Into the randomizer. 2 dice, no snake eyes. And we're going 9 times in total, 5 and 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times we have gone. We are going 9, 5 and 4. 18:35 and 32 seconds. Final round. Our top 2 are Ryan and Steve. Congrats guys, well done. 2 and 5 came out on top there. 18:35 and 43 seconds, and we are done guys, thank you.